Current approaches to open source vulnerability management are not keeping pace with efforts to exploit them. Fewer than 40% of companies report that they actually remediate vulnerabilities, and when they do, it takes an average of 270 days to deploy a fix. The time to exploit by bad actors, by contrast, is 7 days. Existing tools overwhelm DevSecOps teams with excessive vulnerability data, false positives, and a lack of prioritization, often leading to inaction and increased exposure to exploits. But there is a better way. ActiveState's Vulnerability Management as a Service is a market-first offering, uniquely creating open-source security posture management and intelligent remediation capabilities with expert guidance. This solution enables DevSecOps teams to not only identify vulnerabilities in open-source packages, but also to automatically prioritize, remediate, and deploy fixes into production without breaking changes, ensuring that applications are truly secured. How do we do this? First, ActiveState's solution provides your DevSecOps with a complete vulnerability blast radius, so you can see the risk across your application portfolio like never before. Traditional tools show you what's vulnerable. We show you why it matters and how far the damage could spread. The power of ActiveState's solution comes from its open source catalog of 40 million plus components, which is the largest in the industry and delivers the highest recommended remediation success rate. We help you turn chaos into clarity with our risk prioritization copilot, which uses the power of AI and ActiveState's 20+ years of experience to break through the noise of alerts to help you prioritize the vulnerabilities that matter, assess the impact of updates, and choose recommended remediation paths based on corporate policies and avoiding breaking changes. Knowing what needs fixing is only half the battle. The real challenge lies in implementing secure fixes quickly and efficiently without disrupting development workflows. That's where our precision remediation pipeline comes in. ActiveState is the only ASPM solution that facilitates the secure building of packages from source, allows better governance of open source software usage, and ultimately empowers teams to move from a reactive, time-consuming process to proactive, strategic security. By automating remediation end-to-end, from identifying a vulnerability to delivering secure artifacts into production, we eliminate bottlenecks and give time back to your developers so they can focus on what they do best, innovating. With ActiveState, you can resolve vulnerabilities as they're discovered, reduce mean time to resolution, MTTR, from hundreds of days to dozens of hours, and minimize your exploit window. Visit ActiveState.com to learn more or to request a customized demonstration.